Hello and welcome. Here at the Dr. Sev Talks Money YouTube podcast, I share simple, practical tips, realistic strategies, and workable solutions that lead to financial freedom for women and women entrepreneurs. The IRS has made a pronouncement. Effective September 23rd, 2021, the IRS has assigned your collection account to one of the following three debt collection agencies. These debt collection agencies will not be able to contact you until after you get the first letter from the IRS. The three agencies are CBE Group Inc., Coast Professional Inc., and Conserve. The way this works is the IRS will first send you a letter. Then you will get a letter from the assigned collection agency. You want to keep these letters in a secure place. According to the IRS, both letters contain a taxpayer authentication number, and that is what's going to be used to confirm your identity and to verify that the collection agency is legitimate. So again, you want to keep them in a secure and safe place, the letters that is. You should only hear from the IRS if you have unpaid tax going back several years and you heard from the IRS multiple times about the debt. What you can expect after you receive a notice is you should validate that the caller is representing one of the private collection agencies that I mentioned, the three that I mentioned. The private collection agency will ask you a series of questions to make sure they're talking to the correct person. You know how when they call to verify your social security, to verify you, they use your social security and they say, give me the last four, and you give your last four. It's going to take that format. You will be asked to exchange portions of the taxpayer authentication number with the private collection agency to validate each other's identity. The private collection agency is going to work with you to resolve the overdue taxes. They shouldn't threaten you, they shouldn't intimidate you or any of that. And most importantly, you will only pay the IRS or the US Treasury. You will not pay the collection agency. I'm going to say that again. You will only pay the IRS or the US Treasury, not the collection agency, because you know there could be scammers trying to collect money and tell you that they're calling as a collection agency on behalf of the IRS. So keep that in mind. The first step is that you're going to get a letter from the IRS, and the IRS is going to tell you which agency you're going to be working with. Then you'll get a letter from that agency, which is the second part of the step, and both letters will contain that taxpayer authentication number. And that's where you can contact them and start the process of working to get your debt resolved. I hope this has been helpful and letting you know to beware and keep your eyes open for scammers. Until next time, I'll share another tip with you.